Hi, this is Phil Hinton. Welcome back to our continuing coverage from CES 2026. It's been a long show already and we're only on day 3, and this is the first day that the show floor actually opens. So we're on the Hisense stand here, and there's lots to see here in terms of TVs, projectors and laser TVs. We're going to start with laser TV with Tim, and he's going to tell us all about the new products coming to market this year.
So yeah, we've got some new technologies coming this year with the PX4 Pro. We've got the TR 0.2 laser engine. So what that's designed for is ultra short throw for smaller rooms, for bigger screens. Also we have the laser TV technology we've built in. The refresh rate is 1080p up to 240 Hz. It'll do 4K 120 Hz. And also improve input lag for gamers of 1.5 milliseconds as well. We've also partnered with Xbox this year, so we've got cloud gaming as well, so the Xbox partnership is very crucial for us. So we are designing the PX4 Pro around cinema enthusiasts and gamers as well. So the improved input lag down to 1.1 milliseconds is a vast improvement on the technologies year over year. And then obviously our flagship model, which is behind me, we've got the L9Q. The L9Q is up to 5,000 lumens peak brightness. That's also a laser cinema projector with the Home OS system on there with Freely built in, and that's going to be our flagship home cinema product for 2026.
Anything else laser TV wise that people need to be aware of this year?
The thing to keep an eye out for is the enhancements we're doing in the gaming aspect. You know, that's a big improvement for us to have 4K 120 Hz. The TR 0.2 technology, so the laser cinema projector will be closer to the wall, obviously bigger screens up to 150 inch. Obviously it's also very important to look at the ALR screens to pair with the home cinema products. So we have a suite of ALR screens that are available with our partnerships with the likes of Richer Sounds and other retailers as well. But that's the main technologies for 2026.
And of course, you know, consumers out there, they could go and buy a 98-inch TV for a couple of grand nowadays. Yeah. So what would you say to them in terms of if they were looking at the TV or a projector? In what case would the laser TV work for them, do you think?
I think the laser TV is a more minimalistic sort of product. So you got the console on the display. You haven't got a big TV, you know, mounted on the wall. So if you wanted to, you know, you don't have to use an ALR screen. Obviously, we would recommend you would to use one, but it's more of a difference. You know, it's not more of a daily use. It's more of a home cinema, gaming. It's, you know, a TV is something that you'd have on, you know, on 24 hours a day, pretty much. So,
if people want to go out and buy these, when are they going to be available? Any idea of pricing?
So it'll be available from Q2. Obviously, we've got our main key partners. Richer Sounds is one of those as well. You're looking around estimation, depending on what spec of model, because you've got the PL3, the PX4 Pro, then obviously you've got the L9Q. They can range, you're looking around 2,499 as an average sort of price.